Alright, Justin's gonna prank call Netflix right now. Let's take a look at that number. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's Netflix. And once they answer, we'll start playing it again. Okay guys, here we go.
Thank you for calling Netflix. My name is Delaney. How may I help you?
I was wondering if how do I look up some videos with other, like say, movies?
Do you have access to the Netflix website?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Is there a title in particular you're looking for?
Family Guy.
Family Guy?
Yes.
So what you'd want to do is there is a search bar up in the right-hand corner of the system, and you can actually type in Family Guy, and it'll pull up all of the episodes.
I'd like to buy a movie though.
You don't buy movies through Netflix. You
Oh.
just watch them.
But I want one.
Okay. Well, everything that we have is either on DVD, which you can rent, or you watch it on a computer or TV.
Okay. Well, so, I'd like to rent.
So you would like to rent one?
Well, how do I do that?
So you do have to have a Netflix account with a DVD plan on it.
I do.
You just order. Okay. Then you need to just look for the Family Guy movie
Okay.
and put it into your queue, and we will mail it out to you.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. You have a great night now, and then if you wouldn't mind, please stay on the line for a one-question survey.
No problem.
Thanks for staying on the line. In order to serve you better, we would love to hear about your experience with Netflix.
That
Delaney, whoever you are, we're sorry if we gave you a hard time with Justin and his
Asian accent.
Asian accent or whatever it was. We are sorry and might not
Courtney.
happen again.
Something like
it's
that.
Courtney?
What happened to
That was
something like that?
Delaney. Oh, all right. Well, sorry, Courtney or whoever you are. Yuck.